Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Ford Fusion software. First, check your current sync software version through your car's settings menu. Next, you will need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of free storage. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged, or simply keep the engine running during the entire update process to prevent power loss. Now, head to the official Ford support website dedicated to sync updates. You will need to enter your vehicle's unique VIN to ensure you download the correct software package for your Ford Fusion. Once verified, proceed to download the update files directly to your computer. This step is crucial for getting the right software for your car's system. With the files downloaded, it's time to prepare your USB drive. First, format the drive to either XFAT or FAT32 to ensure compatibility with your Ford sync system. Next, extract all the downloaded update files directly to the root directory of the USB drive. It is very important not to place these files inside any folders on the drive. Finally, insert the prepared USB drive into your Ford Fusion's USB port. The sync system should automatically detect the update and prompt you to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This process can take up to 30 minutes, so please be patient. Also, for more great tips, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals. Once complete, remove the USB and enjoy your updated system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.